They're trying to run away from her. I get Scuttle. See? You're freaking them out, Tex. Bacon was freaking the birds out.
Mm-hmm. But you wish you had your claws now, don't you?
Maybe if I reach underneath, I can get them.
Tex, what you doing? Tex! Huh? So you know, too busy playing with crayfish.
She's trying to go underneath them.
Tex! So you know I'm hypnotized. Too busy playing with the crayfish. I give up. Nope, never mind. I'm gonna try again.
Maybe if I pretend I'm not interested in them, they'll look away and I can get them. Tex!
Nope, she's hypnotized.
She said there's one on this side and one on this side.